Alright, tonight we're going to be playing a game called Sound Effects. Max will be playing Batman, Eric will be playing Robin, Carter will be doing the sound effects for Batman, Angus will be doing sound effects for Eric. The act will be answering a disturbed call from Gotham City.
Go fish. #1 rule of Batcave, Robin.
Don't let cats in, but it's the phone, remember?
Hey, Mom. You threw the cat in the washer? What does that look like, dude? All the eyeballs are gone. Oh my God. Whoa. There's been a cat burglary at the grocery outlet in Gotham City. We have to go right away.
Batman.
Get in the trusty Batmobile. Remind me to oil the doors. Safety first. Let's start this puppy. That's better. How about some tunes, Robin? It's kind of silent in here. Spider-Man! Run, Spider-Man, stupid! Robin! Clean! Baby! No, dying cats are not okay. Turn that off.
Man, that's my favorite song.
Listen to the engine, stupid!
Oh, wait, Batman, I think I have it now.
Oh, you got the right one. Oh, no, it's the cat. Stupid.
It's always right there.
I don't know. Every time we respond to this. Let's go. Robin, turn on some lights. It's kind of weird in here. Good. Holy wheat flakes, Batman. What's all the floor? Cereal. Looks like these charms weren't so lucky. Whoa, Robin. Whoa, hey, what's going on here?
A cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
Looks like we're not looking for a cat burglar. It's a serial killer!